weather, sabi blessings naman daw. So, it's okay. It is what it is naman. Pero masaya ako syempre kasi after ng taon din namin itong pinaghandaan. Kaya masaya ako na matatapos na siya today. At syempre, makakasal na kami. Legally.
Panginoon, ang nais ko, kagandahan mo ay pagmasdan ang pag-ibig mo sa aking tugon. Kailan may di pababayaan sa iyo lamang, matatagpuan sa iyo lamang.
Mahal, I still remember the day when we first met. Sabi mo sa akin, tingin ka ng tingin, grabe ka makatitik sa akin. Hindi mo alam yung time na yun, I already imagined this day will come.
Mahal, this was my dream. To walk down the aisle and marry the man that I want to spend the rest of my life with. At ito na yun. Thank you for making this dream came true.
Ang pagpuri ko ay tanging sa'yo, sa'yo lamang iniaalay, o Panginoon, ang puso ko sa'yo magpakailanman. Ang pagpuri ko ay tanging sa'yo, sa'yo lamang iniaalay.
From that day onward, my simple and humble life become a roller coaster ride, but fulfilling journey. I always thank God na ikaw ang tinakda niya para sa akin.
Mananatili sa iyong lilim at sasambahin ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong lilim nang masumpungan ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong lilim at sasambahin ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong lilim nang masumpungan ka sa dakong lihim.
Thank you for staying. Thank you for being my constant and my peace. Thank you for the endless support you gave me. And thank you for being the light in my life. I know we will always fight, but I will still and always choose you.
Naalala ko yung araw na una tayong nag-meet eh. Sobrang ganda mo talaga niyan. For sure talaga today mas maganda ka pa ng times 10 dun.
Though the winds may change and the lights may fade, our love will see us through.
I met you where nothing was planned, and your existence came out unexpectedly. Sino bang mag-aakala na mapupunta ako sa taga Davao dito? Malaga, masipag, at masarap po magluto. Sana all. After all ng pinagdaanan natin on our 3 years relationship, andito na tayo. After all the sacrifices, disappointments, lahat ng puyat at pagod, andyan ka lagi sa tabi ko. Sasabihin mo lang, di ka muna, love muna tayo. Okay lang yan. Tapos yayakapin mo ko para maiyak ko sa'yo lahat. Nagiging magaan lahat pag nandyan ka, mahal.
I know life is hard, pero I'm willing not struggle at mag-fail kung ikaw ang kasama ko. We fought so hard for this day, mahal, to happen. Alam mo yun. And God knows what kind of challenges we bested to make this day come true.
If I could tell you all the times I prayed to Him.
And from this day forward, I promise in front of God and our family and friends that I will always love you and support you from what trials we will face. Andito lang ako palagi sa tabi mo, aalagaan ka at poprotektahan ka. Mahal na mahal.
Voices raised. Now the answer to my loudest prayer is standing here today.
Family and friends, this afternoon, it is my great joy and honor to present to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Neil and Sheila May Canon. Neil, in 10 seconds, you may now kiss your wife.
The night when the lives intertwine.